been joining me from the very beginning, thank you so much for helping me grow my channel, y'all. It's midweek and I am cooking a delicious, delicious meat, y'all. And it can be cooked two different ways to enjoy. I am making some baked or fried pork chops. And what I'm going to be using is some nice pork lion sirloin chops. Look how delicious. And these are the boneless pork chops. I am going to be using some Hidden Ranch dip mix for my baking of my pork chops when I put them in the oven. Really easy. I'm going to be using a little garlic pepper by Lawry's. I'm going to be using some pure ground pepper. I'm going to be using my favorite. Y'all know I love Tony's Creole seasoning. I'm going to be using a little bit of Sazón. And I'm going to be using some Wesson pure vegetable canola oil for my frying. And you know we got to have our Texas Pete, y'all. Our Texas Pete. We got to order that red hot sauce. Y'all know about that. Because I love to eat my pork chops in between two pieces of bread with some hot sauce on it, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe. Like I said, this is an easy, quick recipe that can be enjoyed two different ways, y'all. Two different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all cleaned up. And we're going to go ahead and get into this recipe. I'm so happy y'all joined me. And I really appreciate y'all. I really do. I have met so many wonderful people out there in YouTube land. Some really nice people. I just appreciate y'all's support, and I am here to support y'all back. And don't forget to hit that like, that comment, and that subscribe button if you haven't did it yet. If you haven't did it yet, why? What are you waiting for? All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and cook 4 of these boneless pork chops. We have our oven set to 375 because we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. What we're going to do first is we're going to season these pork chops first. And what we're going to do is we're going to season with some ranch, Hidden Ranch mix, a dip mix. See? And we're going to go ahead and sprinkle this over the pork chops. It's a really easy recipe. I also have my canola oil heating up in my pan. We have this on a little bit, we're going to have this on medium heat. So while I'm seasoning these pork chops, my oven is preheated to 375. We're going to go ahead and bake these first, and then we're going to fry up some pork chops. So we want to season both sides of these pork chops. And there's some nice juicy pork chops, y'all. Like I said, this is going to be the bomb diggy, okay? Just an easy recipe, especially for us on-the-go parents and working parents. You know, we got kids at home. We got a lot of things going on, especially during COVID. I don't know about y'all, but we got too much going on. And so we trying to cook simple, easy meals that everybody will be really grateful to enjoy. So that's what we're going to make sure this is seasoned really well. Add some garlic pepper, some Lawry's garlic pepper to these pork chops. Give it an extra I'm going to season both sides of all this meat. Add on there. Let's put a little bit of Tony's Creole seasoning on there as well. I like my meat to be seasoned well. And again, low in sodium, y'all, low in sodium. These baked pork chops is gonna be the bomb. I like to put a little bit of water in my pan, in my glass baking dish. So go ahead and pop that in the oven. This is the way it looks. And again, set your oven to 375. And we're gonna put this in here for about 30 minutes. Now we have some flour, some all-purpose flour. I cleaned the other boneless pork chops as well. We're gonna take these and we're gonna go ahead and fry these bad boys up. We're gonna go ahead and put them in this flour and we're gonna season them. You guys are having a blessed week, blessed work week. We're gonna go ahead and season with some pepper. Let's start off with some pepper. We want to season both sides of this meat. We're going to take some Tony's Creole seasoning and we're going to season the meat as well. So we in the Foss Auntie Lounge and I'm cooking up y'all some pork chop, some nice good pork chops. And y'all can eat these fried pork chop sandwiches anytime. You can have you some baked pork chops as well. Like I said, it's gonna be the bomb. Make sure y'all get y'all one of my, try one of my delicious drinks. Cocktails or healthy drinks in my playlist. I'm telling y'all, if y'all enjoy that Dole Whip, y'all love that Dole Whip mimosas and that pineapple mimosas. I'm telling you, that Dole Whip mimosas and that pineapple mimosas is the bomb diggy, honey. And I appreciate y'all checking out my drinks, honey. They are the Bombay. The Bombay. So we want to shake off that excess. Got these floured really nicely. These gonna be really, really, really good. We're gonna season up with some Sazón. We're gonna season it more in the pan. So let's go ahead and drop some of these pork chops. Look how nice and juicy and big that one is. And that grease is nice and hot. Like I said, we're gonna go over it with some Sazón. We're going to go over with some ponies. We're going to go over with some black pepper. Some Lawry. And by the way, we're going to cook these until they're golden brown on both sides. So we're cooking the first side first because we want this crispy. All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and check the meat. I'm going to turn it over. And pork chops don't take a long time to cook. However, these are thicker than the average size pieces. So we want to make sure they're thoroughly cooked. And we're going to add a little bit of Tony's Creole seasoning. We're going to use a little bit of Lawry's garlic pepper. It smells so delicious in here, y'all. So delicious. Take a Sazón packet and just sprinkle it over here. Give that meat so much flavor. And we're going to put the top back on it, y'all. Let it cook a little bit more. All right, we're going to turn this over. Again, put that on. Make sure that's cooked really nicely on both sides. That look delicious. And I believe these pork chops are almost ready to come out, y'all. Hey guys, I'm back. We got that delicious baked or fried pork chops. We're gonna go ahead and take out the baked pork chops. And look how delicious they look, y'all. Just scrumptious, isn't it? So we got that. And now y'all gotta check this out. Check this out. Look at my fried pork chops, y'all. Don't it look delicious? Delicious, delicious. And I'm gonna hit you with that baked pork chop. Look at that, y'all. Y'all can enjoy it two different ways. Like I said, this is the Foss Auntie Lounge. I'm working in there tonight. I got your baked pork chops. I got your fried pork chops. Do y'all want it on some bread with some Texas Pete hot sauce? Or do y'all want to eat it all by yourself with a side of something delicious? And one of my cocktail Dole Whip mimosas, or one of my pineapple mimosas. Y'all need to check it out. I'm telling y'all, this is delicious. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed my fried and baked pork chops. Don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe. And tell your friends about me, you guys. I will see you guys next week. And I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed work week. Enjoy. Bye.